reconnect that. Alright, and music. Sending data. Let's double check to make sure we are streaming on YouTube. Alright, we're on YouTube. Let me open up the chat in a new window just in case anyone wants to chat. Turn down the music. Stream, restream chat. Alright. If anybody chats, I'll be able to see it. Alright. Let's close that down. Alright, ready. Alright, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be designing a Foamboard airplane. Specifically, I'll be designing the SF-2A Archon. Now if you've ever seen the Archon legit looks like a Foamboard, a full-scale Foamboard airplane. So let me just pull up a video of the Archon real quick and show you, because this is hilarious, and I probably misspelled it because a bunch of like conspiracy stuff is showing up and Genshin Impact stuff. So let's type Archon airplane, aircraft. Oh, this is perfect. Alright, let me show you this. And let's do screen plus cam. Alright, so that's the Archon. Legit looks like a Foamboard airplane. A full-scale Foamboard airplane. Especially from here. The sound in here. Bop. That angle. That's very much looks like a Foamboard airplane. Board airplanes that I've built, the F-18 and the YF-23, they've all crashed. But basically the front profile looks exactly like that. Let me show you. Alright, so this here is just the nose the rear fuselage section of the FE-18. I crashed it, and well, I just have to rebuild the nose, which is a super cool thing about these airplanes. You just rebuild the nose, then you can fly again. So from this angle, if the fuselage was here, you would see it. Looks just like that. Whoops, not that. Just like that. Wait, let me see something. Oh, it's flipped. Okay, I need to fix that. Let me see if I could put something up on the screen with text to see if the text is flipped. Okay, this text is not flipped, but let's see here. Is this text flipped? I believe so. Also, why isn't the camera focusing on this? Camera, Hobby King. Yeah, I do think it is flipped. I'll fix that eventually. This is the FE18. This is the YF23. See, when I saw this angle here, that's how I knew this is going to be an easy airplane to build. So, a little backstory why I want to build this airplane in the first place. I emailed Paul from RC Foam Fighters. I was asking him how he made his foam board plans because I was in the process of making an RC airplane. I was well, I'll tell you guys because ain't nobody watching these streams. But this is the airplane I was rebuilding. If the camera would focus. Ta-da! If you know what that is, leave it in the comment section down below. You'll get no points. But yeah, I'm making a video on that. It's gonna take, if I get somebody to help me film, that video will come out really quickly, and I'm making free foam board plans for that. The video's almost done. I just need to do the maiden flight. Anyways, just need to build that airplane. Sorry, lost my train of thought. Yeah, and after he told me, after RC Foam Fighters told me how he made his foam board airplanes, I was like, okay, cool. That's cool. But when he told me that how he made his plans, I had already figured out how to do it and tiled it, and I sent him over the plans, and he's like, okay, I see you made an old RC Powers foam board plans. Have you come up with any of your own original designs? And I'm like, original designs? I've been stressing trying to figure out how to make these, I was teaching myself 3D and teaching myself how to make that airplane in the first place, and then you're asking about original designs. Like, damn, at least be impressed. Oh sweet, you brought back that airplane. I'm not gonna tell you the name, you have to tell me the name, but you brought back that airplane. That's so cool to see it again. But he's like, nah, you got any original plans? So I'm like, my heart. So I've been stressing trying to figure out how what airplane I want to build, what airplane I can build within my skill limit, what airplane I can design within my skill limit. And I'm like, okay. Time goes on, I see the video of the Archon, I see this particular angle, and I'm like, yes. Oh, sorry. Alright, I want them closer. God. Alright, let me switch the modes on this camera. I'm in scene. Okay, my white balance, need to change that. I think this is the white balance. Alright, I'll leave it there. Makes my skin look richer. Alright. Viper, and then see, is this? Yes, it is. Alright, so simple fix, properties, flip vertically, close. Oops, that is flip. That is a different sort of flip. That is the wrong kind of flip. Let me go back to properties. Is there a horizontal flip? Oops. Display capture, let me lock that. Camera on lock. Alright, give me a second. I need invert, transform, flip horizontal. There we go. Lock it back. Or that was just annoying the living daylights out of me. Alright, so Archon. This is the airplane that I'll be designing. Oh, I should. Let me just pause a little bit because I do have the other airplane that I was showing you. I do have that file open on Fusion, so let me close that file. Let's go back to that. Boom. Let's start designing.
Something amazing inside your eyes. Stay here again. Stay here again, again, again. So you say one more time, and suddenly nothing is a surprise. Stay here again. Stay here again. We never said goodbye. We never thought it'd be over for us tonight. I finally found you. We never said goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We never thought it'd be over for us tonight, tonight, tonight. I finally found you. We never said goodbye.
I'm gonna make it top lines.
I pray we survive. You finally made me realize I want you again. I need you again, again, again. So you save one more life, and it's been nothing but a surprise. You're here again. Stay here again. We never said goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We never thinking back on my life, running, but I just don't know why. Painting a picture that I can't see, this falling from grace got me on my knees. Oh, just looking for some meaning. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I wanna make a difference. She said, don't you cry, your heart won't fly, but the clock is ticking still. The velvet sky, I gotta make a difference. feel it rising up, then I push it down, saying you're in love. I could go without, let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took.
Oh, I'm sorry. You guys probably did not hear a word I was saying because the music was too loud. Alright, so this is the front view. I think I'm just going to do the front view now. I'm just going to do the top view now. I'm going to figure out everything else later. So for this, for the wings, I'm not going to sketch the entire forward part of the fuselage. I'm just going to do the wings. Because the wings, I think the wings are going to be by themselves. Let me look back at the Archon for reference. Let's get it in flight. So the wings, just like on the F-18 here, this Foamboard F-18, the wing is just going to be a top piece, and all of this here is going to be a bottom belly pan. This belly pan is going to be huge. Oh! One more thing. This airplane has uses a 3-bladed propeller. And this 3-bladed propeller does not touch the ground if it is like fully enclosed within this belly pan here. So this bottom piece, this bottom part of the fuselage, if let's say this airplane lands, the propeller will not touch the ground here. So this is something I have to keep in mind when I'm making this airplane. Again, I had a 3-bladed propeller here and I can't find it. It's not that the desk is not cluttered, not that I cleared the desk, because my desk is still cluttered, but in my attempts to clear up, I'm just losing everything. Oh, here it is. 3-bladed drone propeller. This will probably be a bad idea to make an airplane, a Foamboard airplane, out of 3-bladed drone propeller, because these airplanes here, the Foamboard airplanes, the F-23 and the F-18, they use a bigger propeller. Let me find that propeller. Alright, these are the propellers that the Foamboard airplanes use. This is a 3D printed mount that I designed for both the YF-23 and the F-18. They use a 6 by 5.5 E APC propeller, and this is a 3-bladed propeller, Ethics S3 HQ prop, significantly smaller. Yep, smaller propeller. We'll see how it goes. It's not too much of a big deal to swap out propellers, so I'm not tripping about that. Alright, the front fuselage is nothing much at all. The rear fuselage, all that's gonna be the belly pan. Alright, so the wing Could I get, is there a top view? Alright, the wing basically stops at where the propeller is. Basically here. Oh, neat. So I just, basically I just sketched the wing. I basically sketched the wing as it is. This is gonna be easy. Pop. And this secondary piece here. Let's go straight across here. Yeah, let's go straight across, then down, come across, put it here, then go up, up, basically like that. Pop. Pop, I think. Does this go straight across? It does not. I could always lift that up. And something like that. Something like that. Alright, let's restart. Let's continue looking here. So the back of the airplane will have to be a different sketch. That's a freaky looking airplane. I'll have to bend the foam board for that. This should be a lot easier than when I was building that other airplane. Wow, you guys did not see any of that. I'm so sorry.
Great companies like Dynon at aviationusa.com.
Alright. Just finished the wing. This back piece here is going to be a different sketch. I think I can make this sketch now. It's not going to be too much of a big deal. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this. Okay, so I'm going to make... Oh, sorry. Let's get some music going for you guys. Yes, so with the back of the airplane, so I'm going to have the wing, the belly pan, the bottom of the fuselage is going to fit up into the wing like so. And then this bottom part of the fuselage will extend backwards. Considerably, a lot more than these other airplanes. And then I'm going to have the horizontal stabilizer at the back. It's gonna stick up through the bottom fuselage, and then on top of the horizontal stabilizer, the two tails are gonna go there. I think I'm gonna do that now. Pop and pop. 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 Okay. I see there's a what do you call that? A difference? Not a difference. there's a gap. Let's make this gap 5 millimeters, which is the thickness of the foam board. Alright, this is just a rough sketch, and then when I'm done here, when I'm done with all these rough sketches, I'm going to put them within, I'm going to parametric the sheesh out of them. So let's see how big this is. This is 244. Let's go 245, and also make this, okay, that is not 245, also make this 245, and this distance, no, I don't want the, no, come on, I want the line. I'm sure if you, depending on how you hold the mouse, it will be a different, what do you call it, a different measurement. Because this is 90 millimeters, and 90 millimeters from top to bottom, but the line itself is 91 millimeters. Let's just round it up 92. 92. 92. These lines here, they're all equal, and 190, and over here is going to be 202. And over here, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's make sure that this line is actually the line is 202 and not the distance. Because right now it's just showing you the distance, but I want alright, 202 direct, thank you very much. $216. Why is this line so much bigger? $202. Wow. Okay. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. 202, 202, 190, 190, 190, blah, 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 blah. Let's check this distance from here. This is 636, but when I calibrated my canvas, it's supposed to be 635. That is fine because I have a whole 762 millimeters across to play with. Let's do 636. But it's already 636. Let's do exactly 636. 636. That did nothing. Alright, now, well, I'm gonna figure that top piece out. The beauty about this is that after the fact, I can always re-parametric everything. I could always redo it. this is gonna be? Oh, this wing will have to be in half. So that's... Again, figure everything out later. This is... Let's make that 190. One, 112. Nope. Come on. 77. Seven, 163. 163. Could I make 30? I think I'll have to make these bigger. Right, I have a steel ruler here, little steel ruler. Has anyone chatted? No. Whoa. My Twitch is probably wrong. So let me just go to me on the camera, because I just realized that Twitch is saying something totally different. It is probably saying unboxing. Yep, unboxing first 3D printer, which it should not say. Log in. Just give me a sec. Verification code, verify, login. Edit. Nope. 3D. Is there a 3D? Nope. 3D design. What do I name this on YouTube? Watch me design an RC airplane in C3D. Done. Alright, cool. Alright, let's close off that. Back to the airplane. Yeah, I think these control surfaces are a little too small. Let's go to my camera here. Because on these airplanes here, look how huge my control surfaces are. This is, let's see, centimeters. This is about 7 centimeters. It wants me to have a 3 centimeter 3 centimeter thing. See, even my ailerons at the root here is about 2.5, but it increases to 6. So I can probably do like 3 here and have it increase to like 6. Let's see on the F-18. Oh, the F-18 is a straight. The F-18 has a straight thing. So this is like 4 to 2.5. Okay. I'll definitely have to remember that for the wing. Well, I guess I don't really have to remember that because it's already here. Let's do the aileron. Let's do the ailerons now. So align 40 centimeters. Oh, that actually lines up perfectly. That lines up a lot better than I thought it would. Alright, from here 40 centimeters. Yes. This is why I'm saying that this airplane is pretty much like a full-scale RC airplane. This is hilarious. Okay, and I think I'll have my carbon rods. My 500mm carbon rods go back here somewhere. I'm gonna make tabs for the. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Not gonna bother. Anyways, here. This here is 30mm, and here needs to be at least 40mm. So let's do 40. Oops. From here. 40. There we go. From here. 40. That 40 goes to that 30. Alright, and we have our rear section of the airplane finished sketch. Don't know how I feel about this piece here just sticking inward so much. Okay, that is 97 degrees. Alright, let's rename top. Oops, I'm so sorry. Edit. So basically what I did just now, I did this and this, and this is 97 degrees. Okay, cancel that. Inspect this and this. This is 105 degrees. Wait, was it really 105? Let's double check, because I have like poor persistence of knowledge. 105.2. On this here, 97 degrees. So let's see if I can make. Ooh, did I measure on top here? I don't think I did. How big is on top here? 60. Exactly 60. And here, exactly that. Does this help me any? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. You know what? I'm gonna make this bottom piece a straight wing. Instead of having it come up a bit, I'm gonna just make this straight. Because I don't think anyone will be able to replicate this resolution. No one will be able to replicate the bottom of that wing super well with their cutting. Alright, and this 48. No problem there. 48. That is 50. Okay, since the bottom is equal, there is absolutely no one at my front door. Let's make that 50. Why does it shift the entire sketch? Just make the down line longer. Thinking. Two. Alright, let's make 92. And then I'm going to see the 92 line will only. Alright, how about I put it here? Is this a 90-degree line anyways? Inspect. Here and here. That's not a 90-degree, that is 104. This and this. Sorry, inspect. This and this. 105. Close. Closer. I like it. I like those angles better. Let's do the bottom line. 0.1 degrees. I can take it. I can live with that. .50 almost. No. That line. On the inside. Straight up 90 degrees on 90 point nothing. 50.009 or 099. I don't see too good sometimes. 180 minus 180. Alright, let me just make a 50 millimeter line. $50 millimeters. Oops. Tab 90. Alright, 250 millimeters lines. This is the half point. Seems like it. I'll just drop it at the half point. At the top here. This also seems like the half point, so I'll drop it there. Bravo! Was that so hard? Yes, yes it was. Alright, so we have the top. Are these sketches connected? They are. Are you connected? Yes. Oh, bro. Edit. You are not connected. Better? Yep. 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 Alright. So that is the front of the airplane. Now for the side profile, middle of the airplane. Now this side profile is going to be a bit funny. Actually no. No. I'm going to figure this out. That's the top. Sorry, home. Right. This needs to be scaled up like a lot. Actually no. I already said it was gonna be how much? 635. So for the right, I'm going to also calibrate this canvas. Right, calibrate. I'm gonna do 635. 635. Scale it up. And let's go to edit. Canvas. I'll move it. $380. Perfect. This is going to be the belly pan. I'll do a side sketch of the belly pan. Alright, this room is getting a bit warm, so let me turn on my fan. Alright. Hopefully that is not too annoying. Alright, I just raised the music level to be just a bit louder than the ambient noise of the room, which is the fan. Let me drink some water. This water stays deceptively cold. The bottle itself does not feel cold, but the water is like, whew, that's cold. Alright, so side fuselage. Okay, the fuselage ends here, luckily. That's great, that's great. Fuselage only ends here, and then the rest of this is going to be the body, the belly pan. Almost had a stroke trying to say that. Alright, line, my trusty line tool. Ooh, I'm going to have a hard time with this. So, that airplane that was on my bed, it just has a flat face, like flat face. It does not have any intricate curves to go to curve inwards on itself. This does. Like on that airplane, there's nothing that curves into a point, except for maybe the back. I'll figure something out. Let's do like here. And here seems good. Then we go straight up. Plus, all of this will be covered by the back of the airplane. Actually, no. Undo that, undo that. Because you still need space for the belly pan. And I'm guessing at the top here is going to be the wing. So the belly pan will come all the way. The belly pan will basically cover the bottom of the fuselage here and hook up with the wing. No worry. That's the beauty. This is the beauty of parametric modeling. You can always change it later. This piece that goes straight up is low-key kind of egregious, but it is whatever. Okay. I'm going to do this, bap, and then bap. Then I have to make curve, arc, center. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Oh, kinda salty easy. And can I just do a straight line here? Yeah, easy. Now that I'm here, might as well do the rudder. These rudders go straight up, which I like. Let's do from this guy down here. This is what. Let's make them a little bit taller than they are, just so that they can snap into place up here. Does it run it? Oh, it turns. Don't think that. I want the rudder to be simple. Do I want it to turn? I'll just slant it. How about that? I probably should not slant it because this will not give me a pure yawing motion. If I slant it, it might give me like some up. So let's do that. Beautiful. That was simple. Finish sketch. And now for the front view. Front view inserts canvas from my computer. Archon, front view, scale that bishop, scale it up some more, up some more, yeah, up some more, nudge it across just a little bit, negative 100. Negative 50. Is that centered? Negative 45. Negative 40. I'll take it. Rename. Front. Archon front. Right. Oops. Edit. Bring that bitch down. Okay, it is centered. Close enough for government work. Okay. And we calibrate. How wide did we say it was? 635 millimeters. So boop. Boop. 635. Where did it go? Oh, it shrunk. Archon front, edit, slide it up, pop. It's not centered anymore because why would it be centered? 30. Canvas, canvas, red canvas. I'm not gonna put the brace in. I'm not gonna put this swing brace. So just bop, bop, bop. Should be simple enough to do, but this is the first time I'm doing it belly pan. You know, I could. This is parametric. This is gonna be like the version 0. I don't think I'll be releasing this when it's done. Anyways, so This is not an ortho view, this is a perspective view. So it's gonna be a bit dicey. 140. Buff. And then to go up to the main wing. Let me lock my angles in. 115. Okay. 115 degrees. My foam board is 5mm thick. So 5mm. Like that, or do we want it at 90 degrees? Let's have it at 90 degrees because I'm going to unfold this. No, Ethan, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? I can offset the sketch. So I'm going to do a line. That. I'm going to lock it in at 115 degrees. Bring it up. Straight across. Here, somewhere in the middle. Yes, sir. And what I'm going to do now, well, I'm going to parametric it now as I 78. Lock it in at 78mm. 78. Lock it in at 78mm scale. Everything is parametric now. And now I'm going to offset. So I'm going to offset this by 5mm. Whoops. Okay. Negative 5mm on the inside. Brilliant. And then I'm going to do the line. 5mm. 5mm. And my sketch has been closed up. Now I have to do another sketch because when I extrude this will be extruded in the XY. This will be extruded from somewhere in the middle. It will be extruded from, let's see, maybe here all the way down to the back, but then it will have to taper off. So what I have to do is side sketch to taper it off. What I'm gonna do now, let me look for something. Please open on the second window. Yes, it does. Scroll down, RC. So basically this is what I'm trying to build. I'm trying to model this out of in my head right now. This here, very difficult. So this is the belly pan, belly plates, whatever, and it's going to fold up. It's going to fold up. Well, that's it upside down. That's okay, maybe not. So this piece here is going to fold up like this. This is the bottom, and it folds up, and the top of the fuselage will slot in here. I'm also planning on making it like making the forward fuselage like this too. Oh, is my music done? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make it the forward piece like this too, but I'm not gonna draw it like this. I'm basically gonna design it, link the top, bottom, the pieces together, and then I'm going to unfold it. So I'm going to have it all curved up and whatnot, then I'm going to flatten it out. Think of it like UV unwrapping. But this piece is what I'm worried about. So I basically drew this piece already bent. Now I just have to get the pieces long out like that and have it and cut it in a way at the back here so that it does not just extend out into infinity. So this side piece I'm going to draw now. Let me look at the Archon again. Archon. What a weird looking airplane. This is what I call fighter jet adjacent. Right. It's parametric. I'm not gonna stress about it. Creates. This is the wing on top here. So the airplane basically stops at the wing. So line. Where's the intake? Can you see the intake from the side? Oh yes, you can. It's just to the rear of the... Oops. Oh, this is the intake. Okay, that simplifies my life a lot. Intake from up and yep, and then bring that back, and then bring it up, bring it up, up. Yes, no, maybe so. Alright. Boop. Like that. Bring it forward. Boop. This is gonna be the side of the belly pad. And then the top horizontal stabilizer is gonna lock it in place. With the F-18 and the YF-23. Let me just grab the 18 real quick. Okay, with the 18 and the YF-23, we have the belly pan here, and the wing and the horizontal stabilizer holds up the belly pan. Well, it basically secures the belly pan into place. I actually had a crash where this separated, but yeah, whatever. Rough side view. Okay, I need to label my sketches because I'm gonna get in trouble if I don't. Uh-oh. Top. I did these sketches backwards. The top on the right is backwards. Is it? Top right. I don't know. Alright, so let's do top, get rid of top, get rid of right. What is... Front's belly pan. Okay. Side. Side belly pan. Okay. Now do I need to make a bottom belly pan? I probably should. And I'll use the top view to make the bottom belly pan. Alright, yes. Say bottom, rotate. One more time, rotate. Just gonna do a box. Box will basically cut the back out. Up, done. Rename. Bottom belly pan to cut. Alright, and we good. I still think it's messed up that I did it wrong. I basically have to sketch backwards. The nose should be pointing here also. Anyways, let's start extruding. Starting with the wings. All of these are going to be 5mm thick because my wing is 5mm thick. Extrude. 5mm. Oops. Open this up too. Let's go to bodies. Main wing. Extrude. 5mm. Do not join. New body. I probably should have done an offset so you can get a little bit of clearance in between there. But you guys are smart. When you guys get the plans, or when I do the plans, I'll remember to do an offset. Left aileron. Five millimeters. Do not join. New body. Right aileron. Wait a minute. So I have two elevators there at the bottom, but I think I could do my elevators like this. Sure, I could have the same line across and the same clearance. Let me edit that real quick. I can just do oh no, that does not work. I just have to do the line a bit higher. Hold on. Stand by. How was it? here and here. Alright. Then I could just delete this and delete this. And that is my oh my goodness, you guys did not see any of that. And nobody's watching this stream, so it's fine. Let's turn on the music some. Alright, so this is all one piece camera. This is all one piece here. And I just did it so my elevator is also one piece. Instead of having to fight with two servos to do the elevator, I just have one. So 5mm each stub, and extrude 5mm, new body, label, oh, no. Elevator. She like to stuck on my elevator. Right. I'm going to do a bevel. The bevel. Alright, let me just turn off my sketches real quick. Chamfer. 5mm. Yep. Chamfer. 5mm. That's on the elevator side. I guess that works. I would have preferred it on the wing side instead of the elevator side, but that chamfer also works. That chamfer works for me. My goodness, this Archon is a really squat foamboard airplane. I mean, you look at it full scale, you look at it flying, it's like this is like a chibi airplane. It's a chibi foamboard airplane. Look at that. I'm seeing more of the dude. Where is yeah, this is like a chibi airplane. I don't know how it's going to perform. This is like it with all of my control surfaces being so close. This is gonna be like, look at that. The wing, like compared to this, I mean, it doesn't. This airplane does not have the nose on it because I crashed it. Look at this, it's so chibi. Oops, clicked the wrong thing. Alright, back to the build. What else? Okay, so this is pretty much done. I think I'm going to create a new group. Stick these in here. Turn that off. Turn that off. Right side. Okay, so this will have to be 2. So extrude 5mm body, body 6, V stab, extrude 5mm, do not join, new body, rename rudder. I'll have to duplicate this, but that's gonna be done soon enough. Now for this part of the airplane, this here, this. How wide do I want the airplane to be? I could go for scale, but I'll do like what I did with that airplane. I will measure the dimensions of a swollen LiPo battery, which is 28mm. Let's see, round it up to 30. The thickness of each of the foam board is going to be 5mm on each side. So 10mm, 30 and 10, 40mm. So let's just make this symmetric. No, 20mm, because each side is going to be each side is going to be 40mm. Gotcha. Fuse. These rudders look very, very tiny. Alright, don't worry about this block right here. I'm going to fix it to make it nice. Yep, I knew I messed up. I totally knew I messed up. Now, is there any way to flip everything? So let's turn this off, this off, this off. Right. Edit sketch. Nope. I don't think I can flip it. I'll just have to swing everything around. I was looking at it like, yo, this looks suspicious. Like the nose should line up from the top and the side view should line up. Oh well. You live and you learn. Should have known. Anyways, belly pan. Belly pan side. Extrude. Extrude belly pan side, 5mm. The belly pan side will have to be duplicated along with the rudders. Let's look at let's turn off the canvases because that's confusing me. Belly pan side. That's my fuselage. And then my secret one. Let's turn these off. Belly pan side off. mute my sketches. Whoa, what, who said I want you to be the center? Nope. Bodies. No, man. Move bodies, yes. Better. 180. Let's turn on the belly pants side. Okay, not too egregious. Fuse, not too egregious. Rudder on V-stab, not too egregious. Oh my goodness, this looks hilarious. This sheesh is funny. Okay, let's turn off the fuse for now. To grab this and grab that. Could move the bodies. Bodies. Pop, pop, and okay. Turn that off, turn that off, turn that off. I want to look at the canvas again. Oh, sorry, turn that off. Okay, so the back of the fuselage does extend past the rudders. This is going to be a hilarious airplane to fly. I'm sure once I get it up in the air, this is going to be the version 1. The version 2, I'm going to stretch everything out. Well, I'm going to stretch out the belly pan to put the rudders further back. This is a hilarious looking airplane. Alright, do that. V-stab, fuse, well, not the rudder, rudder. See canvas. Top. Yeah, let's go to edits, cause this messed me up. Let's see, 180. 180 and then there we go. That lines up really nicely. Alright, remove. So all of this, I'm gonna grab that. Go back to the top. Push it to the side. Damn, so that means it should be closer. Nah, y'all bugging. Alright, and then click OK. Grab everything again. Sorry, grab everything. Grab everything again. go to bodies, grab everything again, create copy, top, and we're going to drag it across here. And okay. Okay, so these were all the elements that needed to be duplicated. I really should have, you know, double checked, look at it to make sure that it's the right thing that ah, come on. See, and this is gonna be super easy now. All I have to do is draw a sketch at the bottom here to line it up, to at least join here, and then I'm going to unfold it. This shit looks funny. I don't. And then let's put the wings back on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it should have been a bit wider. I don't want my airplanes to be that much wider, that wider. So let's grab that. So instead of contorting my wing to fit here, I'm just gonna go into the sketch, which is upside down, and this line here I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to unconstrain this line for these two lines up here, and then this. I need this to be 40 millimeters. 40. Let's 40. Why doesn't it? I need this shit to be symmetrical, man. Yuck. I absolutely hate doing this. Symmetry. Yuck. And this wants me to do it on the sketch element. Oh yes, I know what to do. And then symmetry, bop and bop. And it's symmetrical. Ta-da! It's all closed up now. Canvas. Canvas. Okay, that's top. Alright, let me nudge the top canvas back. See, again, this is all things you should do at the beginning. So do the two. So do they line up? Do they 85? Okay. Okay, so the wings. Gonna push all that shit back. Yep, gonna slide it back. And okay. So let's check again. Alright, sorry, turn off the canvas. Still a ridiculous looking airplane, but here we have the clearance that we need. Yep. Alright. Better, better, better. I just have to fix this. Let's do that. Let's do that. Chamfer, 5 degrees. Okay. I should have put it on the inside, but it's whatever. Wow. I went from going to 2 foamboard airplanes with no rudders to designing an RC airplane with 1 rudder to now having 2 rudders. Well, the foamboard airplane have 2 rudders, but they don't work. 2 inoperative rudders to an airplane with 1 rudder that works to an airplane with 2 rudders that work. And I'm going to be using a servo just like this one here. Servo. And I'm going to have my control horn in the middle here. Yeah! And then I'm going to have my 2 wires going across there. And as it turns, it's going to either be pushing or pulling. Super dope. Let's continue. Alright. I find it very suspicious that nobody has commented so far. Like nobody at all. So let's manually check my chat. Let's see if Restream is bugging. Okay, nobody messaged on Twitch. YouTube. Go to channel. Alright, has anybody commented? Close. No. No one has commented on YouTube nor on Twitch. That is humbling. Alright. Okay, so I think I'm going to start designing this, modifying this airplane here. See, do I want a flat bottom or do I want a chamfered bottom? Well, I think I'm going to do, let's do 5, no, okay, chamfered. I said chamfered and I filleted. Okay, let's fillet a lot more. Yes. But here's the thing. If I do it like this, if I make this bottom square like this and I want to design the airplane like this, I don't think I can do this like this. Because if I do the airplane like this centerpiece here, that's going to be the bottom of the airplane. And that is going to fit into the bottom of the belly pan, which is this. See this here at the back? 1, 2, 3 pegs at the back. Fit into these holes here. 1, 2, 3 holes at the back. I think I'll just leave it flat. I will leave it to be flat. Oh, and I still have to modify, I still have to do this top piece here. This lurks. So let's turn back on my canvas. Alright, top. Oh crap, no I can't do that. .74, almost exactly 74 millimeters. So let's do that again. 74 millimeters. Beautiful. Lurks, I think that is what it's called. Turn on sketch, turn that on. 1, 2, extrude, 5 millimeters, new body. Alright, turn off the canvas, cause whoa, that was confusing me. Bodies, move bodies, please. And lift it up. Aha. Alright, this is starting to look decent. The only thing left to do now is to cut out the nose of the airplane. Not the nose, basically gonna trace out the top here, the to get the basic shape that I want. And then when I get the shape that I want, I'm going to what are you designing? Yay! Somebody commented. Finally, I am designing the Archon, the SF-2A Archon. Basically, sorry, SF-1. So basically, this airplane here I'm designing it. I'm not gonna put landing gear on it, but it's basically this is the airplane. This is the airplane I'm making. See, very clumsy looking airplane. It's like a chibi. It's like they made a full scale Foamboard airplane. Like, look at this, bro. And this here, well, this is a crashed airplane. The nose is gone, but this is an F-18. See, camera. And if you had looked down into the back of this airplane, it would look pretty much the same like that. So this is a hilarious airplane to look at. That's what I'm designing. And let's see if I have any photos of the airplane, of the back of the airplane. No, I do not. Let's see. I'm right now I'm looking for this airplane for some footage to show you. This airplane is basically a Foamboard airplane, so I'm looking for footage of my Foamboard airplane. What? I'm going to show you that. So, come on, turn on. Just plugged in this hard drive. And it's like, nope. Anyways. Alright, it opened up. Finally. Alright, this is me talking about the airplane. Let me just pause the music. Alright, this is that is this airplane here that crashed. So this is me talking about doing like a debrief of what I learned and all of that jazz. Alright, so show the back of the airplane. Yep, so you see you have the horizontal, these rear structures here. Look pretty much the same as this. Whoops. Over here. See, do I actually show the back of the airplane? Let's speed this up. Speed up. Speed up. Guess I don't show the back of the airplane. Oh! Close, close, close. Almost there. Almost there. And not quite. So let's try the other video. Oh, I'm not even holding the airplane in this video. Alright, here's the airplane. Nah, useless. YouTube. YouTube, there's actually right now I have to consult a YouTube video. Let's just do camera. I don't know where I have to consult a YouTube video to show me how to do the next part here. See, okay, give me a second. How to design your own Foamboard airplane. There we go. Eventually I also want to make this video. I'm gonna make this video, and I'm gonna put like chapters here, because this guy, he's pretty good. He describes everything, but there are no chapters. So if you just want to see how to do this particular part or this particular part, you have to basically scroll through the entire video to find it. And he has this very annoying vocal tick that is very annoying to hear. Oh, this is another video of the Archon. I don't think I will be able to do all of these sophisticated bends, but look at this. This is pretty much a foamboard airplane.
And not just an ordinary or classic design. This is something
This is a full-scale foamboard airplane.
in USA soil at Oshkosh. How did that happen?
Well, you were exposed
Look
to
at that.
it at the same time that I was.
Okay.
I found
A
on the
chibi
internet as well,
foamboard
and,
airplane.
followed it
See.
through YouTube and just decided that
It's to build this over here.
And if you look at this
basically I've got the
particular
worldwide
part here,
manufacturing rights for it, and I've teamed up with Bill.
this propeller, the propeller fits within the airplane. So the propeller does not stick out at the bottom of the airplane, which I kind of want to do with this 3-bladed propeller.
All right, so understand that you're going to be
Look at this, control horns, look at that.
and have the rights to it. Is there some things that as a
This belly
manufacturer
pan here, which is what I would have if I did not close it down. So this bottom piece here is literally slash basically this piece here, and then where you see these dotted lines here, here and here, you just fold them up and you get that. That's what this is. It's hilarious to look at. Let me close that down, open that. Let's go back into that drive, build 2. This is where I decided I want. Oh, this is the back of the airplane. See, pretty much looks the same. You bend those pieces up, and that's what you get. Literally the same thing here.
going to customize from this, let's just call this the
Ingrate and built, and
But
utilize
I
the
suspect that
resources
I will have to
Jericho has
stretch.
in the area
I'll have to stretch these plans out a bit,
to get to a metal shop.
because even though it looks very chibi and very weird,
not so good for production.
I don't think it will fly good.
Those capabilities in Southern Ontario and
Well, who
Canada.
knows? If you get the CG just right, it's bound to fly good.
We're only planning on offering a quick build
Look
kit
how close everything is.
and a complete kit. So you would get everything except your engine, prop, and
I'm
any
gonna build
avionics.
this. Anyways, need to consult this video. Alright, so this is the video I basically watched to teach me how to do all of this.
Edges that I need to. Oh, and very key since we added that little fillet. Make sure we grab that.
Ha! This is the perfect spot I needed,
Cool. And then
because in this part he's gonna turn this entire large block of an airplane into a slice, which is what I need. Because right now I have, let's turn off my canvases. I just have this big block at the front here, and I need to turn this block into a slice. Then when I finish that, I'm going to do the belly pan, which is super easy. I think I can finish this entire video today, going on 4 o'clock. And I don't have anything to do. Let's use the phone. Phone is fully charged. My watch not fully charged.
this, once again, I can say it's offset by film thickness. And say those. Oh, and very key, since we added that little fillet, make sure we.
Alright.
And that looks good.
So I don't have to do any cutting or anything for this airplane. I mean, do I? I think I'm just gonna keep it a block for the nose. Cause look at this. Look at the sketch, the canvas. Sorry. canvas, it has tip, bop, bop, bop. But then again, this is not a scale. This airplane is right now is as wide as it's gonna be. I don't want this airplane to be any wider. I could probably do the nose. I could probably like sharpen the nose, make it a point. Yeah, let's try. Make the nose a point. So to do that, chamfer, chamfer, chamfer. 5. Nope. This is going to be a bit difficult. I just might have to push these 2 points in together. Move. I can't move the points. Nope, I can't. See, is there a scale option? There is a scale option. But that scales the entire thing, which I don't want. Points. Point. No. Let's see. Oh, that sucks. Or I could cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it, so let's see, P. No, P. Projects. I'm gonna do that. Do that. Bring that down. Oh, that's not. That first point was not even in the correct place. How far I had to zoom in to get that first point in the correct place. Boom. Then the second point is going to be not that difficult again. Boom. And then close my sketch. No. Okay, well I just do another sketch on the outside. Finish sketch. Sketch 7. Whoops, sorry. Sketch 7. My sketch is exactly in the middle. Alright, so where's that? Fuse. Grab that. Grab that. Turn back on the fuse. Extrude. Now, do I want to do my thing for anything else? Probably not. Probably not. Alright. Let me turn everything back off. Belly pan. Everything except for the fuse. Just leave the fuse on. Turn off my sketches. And then rewatch the video.
I guess final step to actually make this a sheet metal part is I'm gonna actually go back into the same plane. Actually, first off, I'm gonna add a fillet here. This is gonna be because this part's bent, and so like I said with the wing, adding a 6mm radius fillet is enough that the foam can bend and unbend without it having like a sharp tip at the end. If you don't understand that though, just play along and hopefully you'll see why this is useful eventually.
Well, I don't
and
have
I'm
to worry
actually
about that.
just going to define the edges that I need here.
Alright, see, define my edges, which is going to be nope, P, the annoying thing about this guy's video is that he doesn't really make the video for like beginners. He just hits all his keyboard shortcuts and he doesn't necessarily see what button he's pressing.
Bend. If you don't understand that though, just play along and hopefully
So, sketch palette and project. How did he get there? Create sketch, but I'll have to define the sketch on something. So, do I hit P? Nope. Offset? No. So basically I just pressing all of the buttons on the keyboard until an option that he got came up. Extrude. U, I is measure, O offset, P select the planar face, but did he? Okay, well I guess that's what he clicked. Alright, select all your faces.
you'll see why this is useful eventually. And I'm actually just going to define the edges that I need here. Oh, and very key, since we added that little fillet, make sure we grab those. That little fillet, make sure we grab those.
Project OK.
Cool, and then this, once again, I can say it's offset by foam thickness.
Okay, project then offset. See, thank goodness he was actually talking, because I wouldn't know. Offsets. Alright, O for offset. Could not offset curves. Right, because I did not do the fillet. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna do the fillet now. Bop and fillet 6mm. Alright, go back to top. Okay, so grab, 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 grab that, grab, grab. Do I have everything? I do. And project, P. Alright. Project link. Okay. Did that work? project, project link, project, bop, bop, and O for offset. That did not work. Bop, bop. Oh, I need to hold down shift. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold down shift, lock in my selection, dip and zoom, move, zoom in, move, 1, 2, project OK. There we go. And am I supposed to grab everything?
The edges that I need here. Oh, and very
Why is
key,
his voice
since
so
we
low?
added that little fillet, make sure we grab those. Cool, and then this, once again, I can say it's offset by foam thickness. And then I will...
Restream
and I need to
insights.
add-
Oh no. Did my stream pause or get cut out? Am I still streaming? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Let me go back to me. Okay. Okay, so it lied. Spy, would you send me an email saying that look at your streaming
add
insights.
end caps to this. And then this, once again, I can say it's off. Cool, and then
Okay, well, I grab everything, then do the fillet. Do the offsets, but can I do the offset without it? Hey, look at that. 5 millimeters. Whoops. Negative 5 millimeters. Alright, that's biting into the tip there. Okay. And then I have to close up my sketch. 5 millimeters. And at the bottom, also 5 millimeters. Alright.
this, once again, I can say it's offset by foam thickness. And then I will, oh, and I need to add end caps to this so that it's defined as a full, like, closed sketch.
Okay, and then finish sketch. It's in the middle. It's in the middle. Alright, I grabbed the sketch. What do I do now?
Cool, and then we can use the intersect tool, just basically saying everything that
Intersects, that's it. Extrude, symmetric. What's this? Intersect. Ooh, do, 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 do. Alright, what do intersect?
is along this plane. It's going to grab, and then you'll
Okay.
see it should have added, yes, just a tiny little curve. Hopefully that's enough that the sheet metal tool can recognize this and flatten it out. And for that, same deal as before, we say convert to sheet metal.
Alright. This little bend in the nose here. Alright, sheet metal. Modify, oh sorry, convert to sheet metal. Beep 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 beep. Okay. Sheet metal and unfold. Yes! Oh my god. So great. So the reason why I'm so happy is that when I was designing my other plane, well, let me show you my other plane. This other plane here. If you know what this airplane is, leave it in the comment section down below. I've been designing this airplane. I have the plans ready to go. I just need to film the maiden flight. But yeah, when I was designing this first airplane here, getting the bends to work was such a pain. I was literally stuck just doing bends, just trying to get the bends to work. And it worked the first time here, so super happy about that.
Select it, and then if it all worked right, we can say unfold. It hopefully, yes, highlighted that. Unfold, and there we go. Now it's kind of hard to see, but very slightly unfolding. Yeah, that kind of showed it. But that's perfect, just what I wanted. So I can mirror this whole body, and actually
Whoa. Alright, what?
Yeah, that kind of showed it. But that's perfect, just what I wanted. So I can mirror this.
Let's see, solid. Mirror.
Whole body, and actually I guess really I shouldn't have called this fuselage. I should call this side fuselage. I'm gonna take the back perspective and say this is the left side. We'll mirror this.
Well, this is a body, right? I did not oh, I did convert it. So it's a component. Select. Oh, I guess it's not a component. Well, let me delete my. Alright, get rid of that. Delete the convert to sheet metal. Because I can do that later. And mirror plane is going to be the yes new body, please, thank you. And okay. Ooh, we have a point of contention up here, because this piece slams into that piece.
Component along the center plane, and that looks perfect. Actually, sorry, I don't want to mirror it yet. There's still a bunch of things I'm gonna add. I'm considering that. No, let's mirror it now. We can mirror everything we add to this because it won't be much.
Alright, let's go back to music. Let me turn on the music some. Okay. Alright, music has been turned down. So let me edit this sketch. I'm going to clear this. This is basically why that is happening. So let me just push this back just a little bit. How do I do that again? Because this comes up to a point. Basically, I don't want it to come up to a point. well, whatever. I will when it comes to actually building the airplane, I'll remember about the nose. So no trouble there. Oh, I have to do the top of the airplane. The top of the airplane, when I make that, that is going to be a separate component. The bottom of the airplane, I want to be attached, so I could make this piece here. So I can have it all come together like this. So you can have this piece, the bottom, and the other side, like that. So let's do that right now. And how do I do that again? I need to reconsult this guy.
And then we can do the exact same thing on this. I'm going to make this a straight piece. Consider that. No, let's mirror it now. We can mirror everything we add to this because it won't be much. And then we can
Do you hear that? That sound he's always making every time he finishes the sentence? Like, that makes this so hard to watch, but you know, I'll keep watching it, but I really need to redo. I'm gonna remake this video. I'm gonna put chapters in it and not have that noise every time he finishes a sentence. That's super annoying to
do
hear.
the exact same thing on the bottom and the top. Make this one piece that we then fold.
You hear that again? So annoying. Let me turn up this so you can hear that.
And then we can do the exact same thing on the bottom and the top, make this one piece that we then fold. So we can
You hear that?
say new component. This will be fuselage bottom. And it's kind of a difficult part to define because there's no plane that has it in all dimensions. But I think I'm going to start at the side.
Wait, so do I have to make it a how to turn these into components? Like, I don't really want to turn this into a component. I'll just turn it into a component because since I don't understand, I don't. Where did they go? Oh, they're at the bottom here.
Bottom. This will be fuselage bottom. Will be weaken piece that we.
Oh, so he didn't have them into a component. Okay. Components. Whoa. Okay. Cancel. Okay. I turn those into components. But let's do. See. How did he? See, he doesn't say how
And
to
then
turn some
we-
components. He just says new components.
We can do the exact same. So we can say.
Oh, you right click. My bad. I'm sorry for hating. New components. Bottom fuse. Is there anything else that
The
needs to
new
change?
component. This will be fuselage bottom.
Okay, you don't. There's nothing. Right. And this turns me into skeleton mode.
And it's kind of a difficult part to define because there's no plane that has it in all dimensions. But I think I'm going to start at the side. And then I'm just going to project the outside edges of each of these parts. And then I'm just it in all dimensions. But I think I'm going to start at the side. And it in all dimensions. But I think I'm going to start at the side.
Okay, so how did he do that? He just hit that and P. Guess so.
And then I'm just going to project the outside edges of each of these parts. Like so. And I'm not super confident that this is going to give me, yeah, you notice it gives me 2 lines because of the fold. And actually, this is a good point. I can just add an arc and this will be my bend. I'll just make a tangent to this. And
So if you're now learning fusion, that's gonna be, you're gonna be like, wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? You're gonna be mad confused.
we can see if that works. If it doesn't, we can change it later. Actually, no, change the plan, sorry. I am not going to add the curve now. I'm going to make this a straight piece.
Well, that's fine. I did not have the curve anyway.
Like so. And then I can offset all of this, including the little piece.
Alright, grab all of that. Project OK. Offsets. That line by 5mm, sorry, -5. I keep having to remember that.
As foam thickness.
Okay, -5, -5, okay.
I'm just going to hide everything else so it's easy to follow along with.
Alright, fuse, bottom fuse, hit isolate, great. Yay!
This. Close the.
Alright, close sketches, line tool, pop, 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 pop.
Edges. Cool, and then this is where it gets a little funky because, like I said, there's no good plane to actually extrude this along since it has to taper at.
And on isolate.
The end. But all I'm going to do is just say it's going to go the full distance from here to this plane.
Right. Oh, sorry, finish sketch. Then extrude. What am I extruding? I'm extruding 1 and 2. Extrude to object. And what is my other object? Well, dear sir, this is the other object. So this is 30 millimeters, which is fine, because as I said before, the battery, the swollen battery, is about 28 millimeters. So round it up, 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters is going to be the inside. Then the foam board is 5 millimeters thick, so 5 on each side. So the entire thing is going to be, it's going to be 40. And so yes, that makes sense.
And then we'll just have to cut out a little extra on the back, but that's fine.
Alright, and I'll use the same sketch, this sketch here, which I used to cut the nose the first time. Where did that sketch go? Oh, I guess because I'm in component mode, I can't see that sketch.
I'm not super confident that this is going to unfold because of how we did those bends.
Well, I figured out how to do the bends and unfolding, so I don't need this part.
Fix that now. Actually, it's to these, the radius. This is what I can come up with. Joint at the back, which we can bend open. But really, this will be largely the same from how we did it.
Oh, I need to do the top now. Alright, new components. Top fuse. Okay. Okay, click that. Crap, forgot how to do that again. Yeah, I don't need any of this because I can just do all of this like in post.
2 lines.
I can just modify the body instead of modifying the sketch.
Cool. So this one's going to be as well.
Right. Sorry. Cancel. Click the body. P. There we go. And then I grab that. I grab that. I grab that. Grab that. Grab that. Okay. And offset. Grab that. Hopefully it has grabbed everything. Do I need to grab that too? The nose piece? Wait, hold on, cancel. Wait, did it offset? I hope it didn't. Grab that. Grab, grab. 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 Over offset. Chain selection. Grab that. It did not grab everything else. Oh, it's not connected. Simple fix. Alright, let's start over. So click the body, P for project, and grab that, grab that, grab that, grab that, grab this, and grab the bend. 1, 2. Project OK. Offset O. Grab that. Everything hath been grabbed. And -5. -5. Damn. That -5 looks a lot. Okay. And that's... Oh, I can't isolate it yet. Close it up. Close it up. Finish sketch. And right. So grab this. Whoops. Grab that. Grab that. And extrude. Extrude to object. And what is the other object, you ask? It's this one here. So click that and we good. New body. Must be the money. Look at that. Beautiful. Très magnifique. Okay, so we have the top fuse, body fuse.
Cool. So now, like I was doing, I'm gonna make all these into lines. Got messed up. Was that just in my... Oh, sure enough. Yeah, they all fold originally to cut away. Alright.
Whoa, you just click that button? Oh, but I don't have that button. Oh. Guess I do.
So this is looking pretty good. Like I said, I forgot originally to cut away all this excess stuff. So I can do that now. And perhaps the easiest way to do this actually is to go into the side fuselage, and where I made that sketch originally where I was cutting away, I can...
No, you can't.
There we go, this one. I can use this.
Alright, let's see if I can... Nope. It's not there. Let's try top fuse, the sketch for that. Nope, not there either. So where's the sketch I used to cut the nose? There it is. Alright, bop and bop. Extrude, symmetric, cut, yeah. All right, let's name the sketch. Cut nose. Finish sketch, turn it off, close it down, turn it off. Alright, very important to always name your stuff, so when you're looking for it, you know exactly where to find it. Alright, so this is done. Just need to make some tabs so I can cut so the pieces can fit in like puzzle pieces. I'm going to do a tab for the front and the back, top and bottom. Actually no, I'm not going to do a tab for the bottom because the bottom is going to fold. I suppose now is a good time to do the folding. So top views. Well, I'm going to make the tabs for the top. Yeah, I'll make the tab for the top views now. Ooh, this is gonna be quite scary to do, because this will, you have to bend. All of this will have to be bent. All right, let me look at for how to do the tabs. Because the tabs is like literally the best part. It's the most fun part of the build. Alright, yeah, here he's doing the tabs.
This as well, when we did that intersect, and that's what's causing the issue. Okay, cool. It looks our laser cutting software than it is for a stack I used for this. I'll just go one piece at a time. I first unfold. We'll do the same to the back.
Alright, yep, this is the spots.
I just make a hole on either end and then put dowels through it and then rubber bands. So I believe I have 12mm tubing. So I'll put 12mm on each end. Constrain this together. There's really not a great constraint for the wing, but I know that it's 200mm about, so I'm going to say 100, and that'll be the center point for this. 16 is good. Final step, which probably could have been done earlier, but I'll just do it all now, is adding tabs so these can be assemblable easier. You'll see what I mean in a sec. But
Alright, isolate. I'm going to do tabs in the top piece. I'm going to do tab right here in the front and at the back, so you'll know how much to bend the foam board. I should also do tabs in the front, because this bend is a very gradual bend. Nah. Isolate.
what I'm going to do is just add on each of these, centered in the middle.
Projects. So click that. P for project. And tab right here is going to be 5mm wide. And let's do 50mm. And let's do that to 5.
A tab which is, let's say 80mm long, and the thickness of the foam. So,
yep. Alright, I'm good now, so let's add the music back. Turn the music down. Right. 50mm. Tab 5mm. Finish sketch. Did I miss something? Hit sketch. Okay, it's here. And now it's not here. So where did it go? Top fuse. Oh, there it is. Bum, 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 bum. Put it just down. 5 millimeters. Join. Ta-da! That's how you make your tabs. So let's do the tab for back here too. So click that, hit P for project. 2-point rectangle. Tab 5 millimeters. Lock that in. No, that's too much. I mean, it's not too much, but it's just egregious. 30 millimeters. 5 and 30. 2-point rectangle again. 5. Hit tab, lock that. Top number in. 30. Lock that in. Enter. Finish sketch. Click that. Click that. Extrude. 5. Join. Very good. Should I also make a tab for back here? It's not necessary. My main thing is getting 1 and 2 in place, because if you get these 2 in place, you'll know how much to curve the rest. Sure. I guess it don't really hurt to put a tab here. So hit that. P for project. Square. Let's put this tab somewhere in the middle. Tab 5. 525. Okay. 5 down. 25. Okay. Finish sketch. 1. Shift 2. Extrude. Go down. Join. Yep. Alright, so our top tabs are in place. Fuse left and fuse right. So let's start cutting. Top fuse, we're gonna hit combine. Target body. 1. Our tool body is gonna be the top. We're gonna hit keep tools. No, cut. Okay. So hit the combine again. Target body this side. The tool body is at the top. Operation cut. Keep tools. Yeah. So if I turn off the top fuse, ta-da! We have the cuts now. Yeah, this top piece needs some work. We're gonna ignore that for now. And let's do the bottom fuse. Alright, so I could do the bottom fuse separately and put tabs in it, but since I want to do it like this, I'll have to merge everything. So that means I'll have to fix the nose. But to fix the nose and to unfold everything. Oh, I have to do that now. Definitely have to do that now. Right. You know what? Let me just have one. Let's see. Let's turn back on the top and the bottom and turn off left and right. Okay, see, there's still some conflict here. Let me just extend this. Bro, you know I'm working on the thing. Why you push it so far away? Okay. And then let me grab the bottom here. Move. Bring it up. Bring the nose in. Yup. Move. Oh my god, why do you keep doing that? I had made the selection, but when I hit the thing, you always just sliding it all over the place. Alright, good enough for government work. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna hit the combine. So combine. Target body. Tool body. Cuts. Great. So if I do this, no, if I do this, okay, that is cut. Now let's do the left and right. Alright, combine. Target body. Tool body. Tool body. Cut. So let me turn off top and bottom. And the side. Oh my goodness, what is this? Yeah. This should not be this difficult. Shit, 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 shit. Alright. Let's turn that off. What? No, turn that off. Combine. Target. Tool. Cut. Okay. Combine, target, tool, cut. Turn that off. Well, but could I like just fold this in on itself? I'll get rid of this eventually. So let's see, top, bottom, left, right. There's a sketch that's on. Right, so this is fine. This is definitely fine. And again, since this is all parametric, I can always fix this after the fact. Alright, so let's start converting our parts to sheet metal parts. That's how we do our bending and non-bending. So, top and bottom. Sorry, let's do the top first. Because the bottom will have to merge with the left and the right. Then I have to do a whole bunch of complicated. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. So turn off left and right. They're off. Why are they still here? Left and right are turned off. Why are they still here? Oh, they were duplicated. Oh, that's why I was having issues. Fuse left? Where's fuse left? Oh, that's why I was having issues. Okay, no worries. Turn off the bottom. Turn off the side. Let's convert you to sheet metal. Alright, I doubt any of the bends will work right now. So let's try anyway on full. Yep. So here's how we fix this. Everywhere that is supposed to bend, you put a what you call it, a fillet. So fillet is going to be a 6mm fillet on this side. The other side could either be a 6 or a 3. I like putting like half. So if the top is 3, if the top is 6, the bottom will be 3. Alright, let's try now. Unfold. At least the front. Nope, nothing has been detected. So edit, let's also make this 6. And then unfold. Damn, no bends were detected. Alright, so edit. Let's make this 10. Something stupid. Unfold. This this is basically trial and error how I figured this out. Let's also make this 10. Alright, let's forget about that. This one is the one that we need. This one's like more important. So let's try 3 millimeters here. 3 millimeters on the outer diameter, and the inner diameter will be more. So let's try 6. Dam, modify, and unfold. No bends detected. You also have to play around on where in your timeline you do your fillets. So do you yeah, you do your fillets. So do you do your fillets before you convert to sheet metal, or do you do your fillets after you convert to sheet metal? I think it's kind of particular on where you put the bends. Let's do 3 up top. Let's do 5 millimeter bends. Let's do 5 millimeter bends for everywhere. 5. Oh, okay, let's also do 5 up here. Cause why not? Alright. Oops, not fillet. Unfold. Let's hit here for unfold. Alright, so this is gonna be trial and error here. Oh, this entire thing here, does this count as a fillet? Yeah, also kind of messed myself up by turning this in, by having this bend here. I can't model it without the bend, but it messes you up. Like that other airplane I have, all of this was a bend, which I guess, but you don't want it to be a bend. Alright, figure all that out later. Let's just remove all of this from the timeline. Turn that off. Go to bottom fuse. We have fuse right. It's supposed to have another fuse. Where is it? I guess we don't. Let's try this again. Solid. Combine. Target body. Tool body on top. Keep tools. Hold on. Combine. Target body. Tool body at the bottom. Keep tools. Joink. Alright. Get rid of top and bottom. And we have that. Bro, where were you? I was just looking for this. So we have 2 fuse rights. Alright. Alright, so we have fuse right and fuse left here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We have fuse right. Damn, so we really needed that piece. Fuse left. Alright, that tip in the nose, that's gonna be dealt with later. Alright, let's see what we got, what we have in total. These 2 bodies should probably be, oops, not caps. They'll probably be in here. Right, fuse left, fuse right, top, bottom. Rudder. We just have 1 rudders? Supposed to have 2. Oh, here we go. Rudder, V-stab, rudder. Chuck them in there. And then we have belly pan side. Alright, let me do the belly pans, the bottom of the belly pans, because that's going to be a lot easier right now. I should probably make some notches. Notches to cut into the here. Yeah, let me do that. 5 millimeters, 5. Whoops. No, okay, this is supposed to be 5 by 20. Okay, I guess 5 by 20, and let's do midpoint. Put that to the middle. The other one. Oops, 5 by 20. Enter. The midpoint. Finish sketch. Let's open up. See wing, main wing. Whoops, not revolve. Let me just that 5 millimeters join. Let's bring that sketch back up. Up, E for extrude. Bring that back down. Alright, so we have some tabs here, and the tabs are going to cut into the main wing, but I see we have a little bit of what you call it, some like it's not centered. Centered? Is centered the right word? We have some clearance issues, some tolerance issues. Tolerance is the word. So I'm not going to cut into the wing as yet. So we have notches to keep these wings, the wings aligned here. Let me do my belly pan. Two. Okay, that was easy. Just those two. Offset this line. -5. Let me double check to make sure that it goes in the right direction, which it does. Okay. Before I finish the sketch, I need to close it up. 1 and pop. That side is closed. And pop and pop. This side is closed. Finish sketch. Ooh, no. I was not supposed to do all of that. Not supposed to make that sketch so big, because basically the sketch will take me all the way across here. Actually, you know what, let's see how that will work. So extrude to object. What is the object? This is the object. New body. Yep, so the back has closed up. Alright. So I did make a sketch to cut the back. I did make a sketch to cut the back, but Just gonna not bother with doing all of that. Just gonna do here, close this up, and close the front of my sketch. So why aren't you happy? Oh, you are happy. Extrude the object. What object? This object. New body. Alright. So ta-da! We have the back open. Now this is, you have a lot of space at the back here. Where am I gonna put my elevator? Okay, I'll put my elevator. I'll put my elevator servo at the bottom and have the wire run along here. I'll put my rudder servo at the top. Have the wires run across there too. Actually, let me see something. I just remembered my top fuse does not go all the way back. Sorry, the side of this fuselage here, it does not go all the way back single. See, it stops halfway, and then we have the pegs to connect it in. So this front piece here can basically be freeballing. I literally have the entire front here freeballing, so I need to do like a cut here and start doing my like jaggies. Not jag, well, me talking like a child. Jaggies is not the right word. Why does it keep stopping? 20. Let's see how long these are. $26. Alright, so let's make these 30. Because these are basically the pegs I'm doing now. I'm making. 30. 25. 30. 5. Let's make this shorter as 20. That's 25. No one will notice. 5. 30. It's about time. Alright, let me mute the microphone. Alright, I'm back. I can basically cut these sketches out of everything, I think. Extrude. Hey, look at that. Sweet. So we have the things for the belly pan. The bottom fuse goes all the way bottom fuse goes all the way back, but I need it to not. The best way I can simplify this process is to just literally push it back. Pom, 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 pom. Alright, that works. So we have the bottom fuse, the bottom part of the fuselage, which stops halfway here. And then we have the notches. And then we have the bottom belly pan, which starts after the bottom fuse. Alright, yeah, this works very nicely. Some belly pan side, belly pan side. Okay, conflict right here. Let's look at the real Archon. So let's go back to the canvas. Now let's turn off all the bodies. Ah, okay, so this is why they did not have the elevator going straight across. So this is my fault. I put the elevator to go straight across so I could have it as one piece. So how do I fix this? How do I fix this? Later, that's how I'm gonna fix this. Alright, I think I can stop here. I've been streaming for a very long time. This is at 5 o'clock now. I think I started at 2 or 3 o'clock. Maybe even 1 o'clock. Not even sure. Yep, but I think I'm gonna stop here, the stream. I'm going to refer to this stream when it comes to when I actually build the airplane. Alright, I should probably make some notes. Blue ink pen. Okay. Review tail section of the airplane. Elevator and rudder. And you know what? I think I wanted to have the belly pan fold and unfold and all that jazz now. So let's... Bro, what's this? Oh, that's a sketch. Let's turn that off. Alright, pop, pop. No, let's hit combine. Pop, no, join. Ooh. Pop, pop. Alright, so in the rear. Turn off rear. Combined belly pan. Alright, turn off that, turn off that. Fuse, fuse. Great, so we just have the belly pan. And now I'm going to do the bending. So, fillets. I can always modify the shape later. 1 and 2. Let's give ice cream. Let's do 3 millimeters. And on the outside. 1, 2, fill it again. Can we do 5? 5 millimeters, yeah. Now let's convert to sheet metal. Oh, I need to convert first. Convert to sheet metal. Pop. Wait, what? Why won't you let me convert to sheet metal? Using the same rule for more than one converted components can affect the but I think this is the only... Alright. Should I create a component here? Then where's my combined belly pan? Okay, how about now I convert it to sheet metal. Okay. I guess I needed it to be a component to turn it to sheet metal. And then unfold. Okay, let's try here. Modify. Unfold. Nah. Now is where I have to keep playing to figure out how much this thing really needs to fold. Let's try 6 millimeters. See, the weird thing about this is that it doesn't tell you which one, which is in error. Let's do 6 also. Modify, unfold. Like your inner and your outer needs to be. So that's. Okay, so I think these bends are a little too big. Let's do 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. Okay, and unfold. Nope. How about here? Bruh, unfold. What if I unfold? Nope. How about here? 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 Is this 6? 10? Ain't no way that this works. Suspected. Let's try the inner one. 10 and 5. Alright, well, I guess this is something I'll be tinkering with for the rest of the night. Top fuse, bottom fuse. Let's get close up that subgroup. Fuse, fuse. Group. Group. Rear. Alright, that's it for now. This is the Archon. Not built yet, not finished. Ooh, did I cut out of the belly pan as yet? I think I can do that now. Before I forget, but I have to cut out of the components. Okay. Alright, target body, tool body, tool body, cut. Does it go all the way through? It doesn't look like it does. Okay. Fuse left, fuse right. It doesn't go all the way through. Easy way to fix that. Bruh. Center the dumps. Alright, and we have holes. Ta-da! Alright, we cut alignment holes at the bottom of the belly pan. On isolate. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hopefully before November I'll fly this airplane, the Archon. Ooh, I think I have to raise my wing some. My wing has to be raised, because where would my carbon spar go? Wait, let me make a note of that. Alright, yes. For the third time, I'm closing off the video. This was the initial build of the Archon. The Foamboard the full-scale Foamboard aircraft. Yes, that's what I'll call the video when I actually make it. Make a note of that. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah. And again, if you happen to be watching the stream after the fact and you know what this airplane is, leave what you think it is in the comments down below. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.